I actually look out for my angle now because it shows me the angle, but it's a little bit off when I'm actually welding. So then now I remember, okay, I need to do this. I have it in the back of my head, like, hey, you need to slow down, or you need to go a little bit faster, or you need to work on your angle. So it's come a lot. It's helped a lot. The guys kind of started to be like, oh, okay, well now I gotta beat you. So everybody started to take a lot more turns, and at the end, it was only several people that could actually get it to turn gold and get a higher score on it. So everybody's really excited about it.
I was terrified to actually try it, but my friend convinced me, hey, go do it. So I tried it and I instantly fell in love.
guideWELD VR has really helped me, especially just learn the muscle memory.
Something I like about guideWELD VR is like the golden gun. It shows you the appropriate speed and height and the angle that you use.
The guides help me maintain a steady speed. They help me understand where to place my hand so that way I can turn it a certain way, so that way I can get into the groove or joint that I'm working with.
Seeing 100% was definitely a confidence booster. I did better than everyone. It was cool. High confidence booster. Feel proud of yourself.